class to the youth I taught at Muslim Center of New York, in which Brother Noman was also a student. In the last class I wrote on the board, Alif Lam Mim Zalikal Kitabul La Rayba Fihi Hudal Lil Muttaqin Alladhina Yu'minuna Bil Ghaibi Wa Yuqimuna Salata ila akhir. And I asked one by one to come to the board and recognized Ism, Fail and Harf. That was a test I gave them. So Noman correctly recognized Ism, Fail and Harf. And I had a slumber in the class. Job done. Alhamdulillah. So it's not possible that you become a scholar of Arabic in 1 week. But if you have minimum of understanding, then you can build it up. But if you go confused from here, then nothing can be achieved. So there should be no confusion. But you have to add. The base should be sound. So, right? So let's make a chart again. This is for Mudhakkar and this is for Muannath. Okay. This is for Wahid. This is for Muthanna, Mudhakkar, and this is for Jama, Mudhakkar. This is for Wahid, Muannath. This is for Muthanna, Muannath. And this is for Jama Muannas. And this is for Rafa form, Marfu'. This is Mansub, the form of Nasab. And this is the form of Jar Majroor. You know, Muslim will continue in the whole chart. You know, I'm not putting any harkat on meme because that will only change. This is our fixed value, okay? Our constant value. Is clear? Constant value. Constant value. Constant value. Constant value. You know, this is, I said, the singular masculine, the concerned singular masculine form, if it is intact till the end, then it is Jama Salim, unbroken plural. But if this is broken, then it will be broken plural in the plural form. So, this is the constant value. This is the constant value. This is the constant value. Constant value. So singular, masculine, singular in Rafa form is Muslimun. Right? Masculine, singular in Nasab form is. Then in plural form, no, sorry, in jar form it is Muslimin. Is this line clear to you?
Yes.
Now we come to Musanna. In Rafa form, it is Muslimani. The rule is that you give the singular form, fatha to the last letter of singular form, and then add ani.
In dual form.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's okay, so my confusion is with numbers then. Now I know. Okay, so when it's singular, it's un, an, and in for rafa.
Whether it, forget about it. Follow what I say. Whatever is the singular form, you simply add ani to it. It will become muthanna in rafa form. Don't confuse yourself. This was a singular form, right? And whether or not it has got tanween or not, that is not the issue now. The original word, not harakat, the original singular word, just give fatha to last letter and then add ani. It will become musanna form. So is the case here. Musanna, here in rafa form, the feminine was muslimatun. You have to make musanna of this, so this will become muslimatani. Here the addition is whatever is the singular form. To make musanna, you have to move from there. But in jama or plural, you have to start with the singular form in both masculine and feminine. I'll tell you how that. There's the confusion, I think, for you. Now, this is the jama form in feminine. So, you have not to consider ta here to apply the formula. This is masculine form. Give the fatha to the last letter of the masculine form and then add a tun, simply. Some books will write the method as you stretch the ta at the end and add in between the meme and ta and alif. Whatever appears to you easy, adopt that. But simple is, you have finally to forget the formula and keep in mind the forms. This is what I said. You do 4-5 cases at home and it will come to your pen and it will become automatic process. But during exercise, you have to be very careful so that you don't memorize wrong thing. So, Muslimun, Muslimani, and the plural is Muslimun, Muslimani, and this is rafa form. What's the formula? Put a dhamma or the last letter, then add waw with sukoon and noon with fatha to have an una sound. Here's the una sound. Okay, then we have made more musanna. Now musanna in the nasab and jar form. What's the formula? That you take the original form, put a fatha at the end and add ya with sukoon and noon with kasra. With me? Then here is the same. Now come to the plural form, jama. Jama is here you give kasra to the last letter and then add ya with sukoon and noon with fatha. An interesting thing here is That it is the opposite of this. In Musanna form, you come from above, below. And in Jama, you come from below and go above. It's opposite of each other. Musanna is aini. Jama is una. Ina. E is below and na is above. And Musanna, I, ni. You know, this is fatha here and kasra here. And here, opposite of this, kasra here and fatha here. But the thing is, just practice. You do a few on your own, inshallah. It will become an automatic process, you don't have to think. This is very beautiful about Jama in Surah Al-Ahzab. Innal muslimina wal muslimati wal mu'minuna wal mu'minina wal mu'minati wal qanitina wal qanitati. You know, this is all nasab form. Innal muslimina wal muslimati wal mu'minina wal mu'minati wal qanitina wal qanitati والصادقين والصادقات
والصابرات والخاشعين
والخاشعات والذاكرين الله كثيرا
والصائمين والصائمات والحافظين فروجهم
والحافظات والذاكرين الله كثيرا والذاكرات أعد الله لهم مغفرة وأجرا عظيما. Muslimatan and Muslimatin. Right? Then Muslimatani, Muslimataini. And then Muslimataini. Then Muslimatun, Muslimatin, and Muslimatin. Next we study the usage. There will be different reasons a noun changes its i'rab. Normally, an i'rab of a noun is in rafa. Normally, a noun is in rafa form. There has to be a reason to change it to nasab and jar form.
When heading is usage.
Our heading is al-huruful jarra, the jar causing huruf. There are 17 huruf in Arabic language which cause the noun change to the jar form. Ba, Kaf, Lam, Waw, Mundu, Umud, Khala. Rubba, Hasha, Rubba, Hasha, Min, Ada. Fi, An, Ala. Ala, Hatta, Ila. This letter ba in Arabic is pronounced as ba. Put a waw and ta, kaf. According to pronunciation. I'll change the color to be more for your convenience. If you have two colors, you also do the same. Ba, wa ta, wa kaf, wa lam, wa waw. No, you read in continuity. Bao, tau, kafu, lamu, waw, mundu, mud, khala. Rubba, hasha, min ada, fi, an ala, hatta, ila. It becomes a poetry, easy to remember. Bao, tau, kafu, lamu, waw, mundu, mud, khala. Rubba, hasha, min ada, fi, an ala, hatta, ila. Bao, tau, kafu, lamu. Bao, tau, kafu, lamu. Bao, tau, kafu, lamu. Bao, tau, kafu, lamu. Follow me. Bao, tau, kafu, lamu. 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 Waw, mundu, mud, khala. Let me read it a few times now. Then start following me. Waw, mundu, mud, khala. 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 Now follow me. Waw, mundu, mud, khala. Waw, mundu, mud, khala. Waw, mundu, mud, khala. Waw, mundu, mud, khala. Now the whole line. Bao, tau, kafu, lamu. Waw, mundu, mud, khala. 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 Yes.
Tau, kafu, lamu, waw, mundu, mud, khala.
Yes, brother.
Bao, tau, kafu, lamu. Waw, munzu,
Mud, khala. Yes, sister.
Bao, bao.
No.
No.
No, that.
Bao, tau.
Don't read it.
Oh. I can't do it.
Okay. We'll give you another chance. Yes, sister.
Bao, tau, lamu, waw.
Kafu, lamu.
Kafu, lamu, waw, munzu, muskala.
MashaAllah. Yes.
Bao, tau, kafu, lamu, waw, munzu, munzula.
Mud, khala. Mud, khala. Not yet?
Bao, tau, kafu, lamu, waw, munzu, muskala.
Okay. Yes.
Bao, tau, kafu, lamu, waw, mundu, mukhala.
MashaAllah.
Bao, tau, kafu, lamu, waw, mundu, mukhala.
MashaAllah.
Bao, tau, kafu, lamu,
Waw, mundu, mud, khala.
man,
Mud, khala. Yes.
Bao, tau, kafu, lamu, waw,
Mundu,
mud, khala.
mud, khala. Yes.
Bao, tau, kafu, lamu, waw, mundu, mukhala.
Yes.
Bao, tau, kafu, lamu, waw, mundu, mud, khala.
MashaAllah.
Bao, tau, kafu, lamu, waw, munzu,
Mundu, mud, khala. Yes. Young Chaudhary.
لام دال كاف لام واو منذ مدخلة.
Are you reading? Okay, mashallah. So it's good progress. Repeat it a few times more with me. Bau, tau, kafu, lamu, wow. You know, make it rhythm. It will be easy to memorize. Bau, tau, kafu, lamu, wow, mundu, mudkhala. 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 Bau, tau, kafu, lamu, wow, mundu, mudkhala.
باو تاو كاف لام واو منذ مدخلة. باو تاو كاف لام واو منذ مدخلة. That's it.
Keep on repeating.
باو تاو كاف لام واو منذ مدخلة. باو تاو كاف لام واو منذ مدخلة. باو تاو كاف لام منذ مدخلة.
Should I give you another chance? Hands up.
Let her try, teacher.
So hands up कर लो नहीं मैं.
उनको देख के सुना.
You can read. Okay.
Bow, tau, kafu, lamu, wow, mundu, mudkhala.
Takbir. MashaAllah.
MashaAllah.
Sister, go ahead.
Next line. Rubba hasha. First I read a few times, then you follow me. Rubba hasha min ada. 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 Fi anala hatta ila.
في عن على.
Hatta ila. Bao tau kafu lamu wao mundu mudkhala. Rubba hasha min ada. Fi anala hatta ila. Bao tau kafu lamu واو منذ مدخلة. رب حاشا من عدا في أنا لا حتى إله.
رب حاشا من عدا في عن على.
You know, such things to memorize, you can just record in your phone and then put it on repetition and then inshallah you'll memorize. واو تاو كافو لامو واو منذ مدخلة. رب حاشا من عدا في أنا لا حتى إله.
रूफ जा रहा है.
अभी बताता हूँ आपको.
इनका सबका जो
वाओ ताओ काफू लामू वाओ मुंजू मुदखला रुब्बा हाशा मिन आदा फी अनाला हत्ता इला. So you are getting impatient, so let me tell you a bit of it, its translation. Actually they are huruf. You know, the third category of the kalima was huruf, harf and huruf. These are 17 huruf, and the character is, their quality is that whenever they precede a noun, they turn the noun to jar form, and along with that will make an addition to the meanings too. For example, first three, ba, ta and kaf. Ba, ta and kaf, they have the meanings of oath, qasam. Wallahi, billahi, tallahi. If you are sitting with Brother Mustafa, how many times he would say wallahi? No? Wallahi, by God. You know, all these are by God. Billahi, tallahi, wallahi. Now, the important thing is, this is the main thing.
What car?
No. Wow. Wow. When this is harful jar, it will cause the next noun to go to jar form. But if it is just a joining letter, joining harf, carrying the meanings of and this is by. Wallahi is by God. By God. And wallahu is and Allah. Sorry. That's the difference. Now you understand? Wow appears the same harf, but these are two different harfs. Wow for joining has no effect on the following noun. Whereas the waw for qasm, that is harful jar. So if it is wallahi causing this jar form to Allah, word Allah, then this is for qasm, by God, right? But if it is not causing jar to Allah, it is wallahu, then it is and Allah. And the ibarat, the text will continue. Wallahu ghafurur rahim, and Allah is forgiving, merciful. Wallahu ghafurur rahim, and Allah is forgiving, merciful. Wallahi al-azim, by the great God. Yes?
You said the wow had a zabar on top, just like the where it says by Lord.
No, both the waw will have zabar, fatha. But the difference is here. Its cause. Waw is causative, and the victim of that cause is the word Allah. This waw will affect Allahu to become Allahi. When it is wallahi, then it means by God. But if it is not affecting the Allah in terms of i'rab, then it is wallahu and Allah. And the sentence will complete, wallahu ghafurur rahim, and Allah is forgiving, merciful. Right? And most of them you already know. For example, min and an both means from. Fi means in, ala means on, hatta means until, ila means towards,
That means
except. Ada hasha means except. Rubba, hasha, this khala, no, muz and muns, they have not been used in the Quran. If you don't understand the meanings, forget about them. But the Quranic ones you must understand. Lam is for, right? Wa is for wa, ta and ba. All these are for oath. Alright? And rubba is sometimes. Hasha is except. Ada is also it's not used in the Quran. It's also except, I think. See, in this book, are they given? And these are since and for. Now, we can make simple constructions now. You know the meanings of bait already? Bait means house. Masjid means masjid. From home to mosque. Translate it now. Everything is in front of you. From home to mosque. Minal baiti, minal baiti, this is min here. Minal baiti ilal masjid.
كاف الأنصف والقسمة كاف
Yeah, like. Kaf is like.
From the house. Or is it from
Like.
Read aloud.
Ka masali ghaithin. Like the example of rain. Ajab al-kuffara nabatuhu thumma yahiju fatarahu musfarran thumma yakunu hutama. So kaf is kazalika, like that. Kazalika is that, and kadhalika like that. Yeah. Kal fujjar, kal an'am. Ulaika kal an'am.
كذلك الذي يدعو اليتيم.
No.
No.
नहीं, वो कज़ालिक है ना, कज़ालिक.
That cause is not separate. Ka, when it is a harful jar. Ka mathali. Ka mathali. Masalu has changed to mathali. Ka mathali. Kal an'ami. Al an'amu, cattle. And kal an'ami, like cattle. Ulaika, those are, such are, kal an'ami, like cattle.